Did you know 80% of the toxic waste in your brain right now should have been flushed out last night but wasn't? After age 70, your brain's cleaning system operates at just 10 to 20% efficiency, meaning toxic proteins that destroy memory are trapped and building up every single night. 90% of seniors have no idea this cleaning system even exists. I'm Dr. Michael Roberts, and in my 20 years treating seniors with memory loss, I've seen this pattern destroy lives. But your brain isn't aging, it's drowning in waste it can't flush out. Today, I'll show you how 3 simple fruits, eaten in a specific 2-hour window before bed, can reactivate this system and give you back the sharp mornings you thought were gone forever. Most doctors never tell you this because they don't test for it. Know your body, own your health. Let's talk about what's really happening inside your brain every night. Your brain has a waste removal system called the glymphatic system. Think of it as your brain's nighttime trash collection. During sleep, brain cells shrink slightly, creating space between them. Cerebrospinal fluid flushes through these spaces, washing away toxic proteins that built up during the day. What gets washed away? Amyloid beta, the Alzheimer's protein. Tau proteins, another dementia marker, and metabolic waste. This happens 60% more during sleep than when awake. After age 70, the water channels that let this fluid flow, called AQP4 channels, malfunction. The spaces don't open properly. What should be a powerful flush becomes a weak trickle. This cleaning efficiency drops 80 to 90% as we age. That means 80% of toxic waste that should leave your brain every night stays trapped. Even one night of poor sleep increases amyloid beta measurably. Imagine what decades of reduced cleaning does to a 70-year-old brain. The waste accumulates night after night, year after year. Many of my patients tell me they wake up in a fog. They forget conversations from yesterday. Names slip away mid-sentence. They read the same sentence 3 times before it sticks. Some feel mentally exhausted by afternoon. These aren't just aging. These are symptoms of waste accumulation. Your brain is clogged with proteins it couldn't flush out. But here's the good news. We can restart that cleaning system with 3 powerful fruits. Let me break this down simply. First, banana. Eat 1 small to medium banana 45 to 60 minutes before bed. This nighttime superfood contains 3 key compounds that prepare your brain for deep cleaning. Vitamin B6, magnesium, and tryptophan work together to trigger the deepest sleep stages where your glymphatic system operates at maximum power. For seniors over 60, 1 banana before bed can increase deep sleep by up to 30%. Giving your brain the time it needs to flush out toxic proteins that destroy memory. Choose one with brown spots. Those spots mean the nutrients are more available. Here's what's inside. Tryptophan converts into serotonin, your mood regulator. Then, serotonin converts into melatonin, your sleep hormone. Melatonin triggers the release of BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that protects neurons and helps grow new brain cells overnight. The magnesium calms overactive neurons and helps you reach N3 sleep, deep wave sleep, where your brain does its heaviest repair work and memory consolidation. After 60, your body produces 30 to 40% fewer neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. After 70, deep sleep decreases by 30%. So your brain needs help, and bananas provide the raw materials to make it happen. A 2020 study found seniors with higher magnesium and B6 before bed experienced better short-term recall and more stable moods next morning. One of my patients, Martin, a retired accountant, felt mentally slow every morning. We started him on 1 banana an hour before bed for 2 weeks. After the 2nd week, he told me, "It's like my mind clicks in faster. I don't lose my train of thought like before." For seniors, that's not just improvement, that's independence. Eat your banana plain or with 4 or 5 almonds if you're worried about blood sugar. The healthy fat in almonds slows sugar absorption. Avoid pairing with dairy or caffeine close to bedtime because they interfere with tryptophan absorption. Second, apple. About 90 minutes before bed, eat one small to medium apple with the peel on. This fruit does something remarkable for your aging brain that most people never learn. Apples contain quercetin, a powerful compound concentrated in the peel that crosses into your brain and shields your memory center from the toxic buildup that causes dementia. For seniors over 70, eating one apple daily can preserve cognitive function and reduce brain inflammation by up to 40%, protecting the neurons you need for clear thinking every morning. Critical. Eat it with the peel on. Don't peel it. The skin is where most of the power lives. Apples do two things your brain desperately needs. First, they contain quercetin, concentrated in the peel. Quercetin crosses the blood-brain barrier, that's the protective wall around your brain, and accumulates in your hippocampus, your memory center, the first area affected by aging. It acts like a shield, neutralizing free radicals that damage neurons and activating your brain's own antioxidant defense system. A 2017 study found quercetin at levels from one apple a day significantly preserved cognitive performance and hippocampal plasticity in aged mice. A 2021 human trial showed older adults who ate 2 apples daily for 12 weeks had improved executive function, that's planning and decision-making, and better verbal recall with lower inflammation markers throughout their body. But here's the second mechanism. Apples contain pectin, a soluble fiber. That pectin feeds the good bacteria in your gut. Those bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids, especially one called butyrate. Butyrate travels from your gut to your brain. Once it gets there, it acts like a switch that turns on BDNF production, that brain growth factor I mentioned earlier. After 60, gut bacteria diversity decreases 40%. That means less butyrate, less BDNF, less protection for neurons. Apple pectin helps rebuild that gut-brain connection. A 2023 study found 4 weeks of pectin-rich diet increased BDNF levels in the hippocampus and reduced neuroinflammation, that's brain inflammation that accelerates memory loss. Dr. Chang Y. Lee at Cornell University, who spent 20 years studying apples, said, "On the basis of serving size, fresh apples have some of the highest levels of quercetin when compared to other fruits and vegetables, and may be among the best food choices for fighting Alzheimer's. People should eat more apples, especially fresh ones. So, 90 minutes before bed, eat one apple with the peel. Choose red or dark-skinned varieties like Gala, Fuji, or Red Delicious for highest quercetin. Wash it, but don't peel it. That timing gives fiber time to start fermenting and antioxidants time to circulate." Third, orange. Based on the latest research from Nature Communications, this citrus fruit does something the others can't. About 2 hours before bed, or 90 to 120 minutes, eat half to 1 fresh orange with the white pith. This powerful fruit opens the pathways in your brain that allow toxic waste to escape. Oranges contain hesperidin and vitamin C, 2 compounds that increase blood flow to your brain by up to 20% and seal the protective barrier that keeps inflammation out. For seniors over 65, 1 orange 2 hours before bed can dramatically improve how efficiently your brain removes the Alzheimer's proteins that build up overnight, giving you sharper mornings and clearer thinking all day. Not orange juice, a fresh orange. And here's a tip. Keep some of that white pith, that white layer just under the peel. That's where a powerful compound called hesperidin lives. Oranges protect your brain 2 ways. First, vitamin C. Your brain holds the highest concentration of vitamin C in your body, but it can't store it. Even one night without adequate vitamin C leaves your brain vulnerable to oxidative damage. Vitamin C does 3 critical things. It protects the blood-brain barrier, keeping toxins and inflammation out. It helps synthesize dopamine and norepinephrine, neurotransmitters that control attention and processing speed. And it reduces the buildup of amyloid beta, that Alzheimer's protein. Research shows 33% of seniors over 65 consume less than recommended vitamin C. Those with lower levels score worse on cognitive tests, especially attention and processing speed. After 60, your blood-brain barrier naturally becomes more leaky, more permeable. Vitamin C helps seal those gaps, keeping your brain protected. The second compound, hesperidin, increases blood flow to your brain. It does this by producing nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes the smooth muscle in your blood vessel walls. That makes the vessels wider. Wider vessels mean more blood flow, more oxygen, more nutrients delivered to your neurons, and more efficient removal of waste through your bloodstream. After 70, cerebral blood flow decreases 20% naturally. But studies show hesperidin can reverse some of that decline. A 2019 trial found 8 weeks of citrus flavonoid consumption enhanced brain perfusion, that's blood flow, and improved episodic memory in older adults. That's the "I remember when" type of memory, the first kind to fade with age. Another study showed 1 dose of hesperidin increased brain blood flow within 2 hours. My patient Sarah started eating orange slices 2 hours before bed. After 10 days, she told me, "I wake up thinking clearly again. It's like someone cleaned the windows in my head." Eat a fresh orange. Peel it, but leave some white pith. Eat the segments whole. Pair with a few nuts or seeds to help absorption. Avoid heavy starches or caffeine because they delay nutrient transport. Why all 3? Why not just pick one? Each fruit addresses a different failure point in your glymphatic cleaning system. Banana initiates deep sleep. Without deep sleep, the glymphatic system doesn't fully activate. Apple clears oxidative waste and triggers BDNF, helping your brain grow and repair neurons while you sleep. Orange opens blood vessels and protects the barrier, allowing waste to exit your brain efficiently and enter your bloodstream to be filtered out. Think of it like this: sleep initiation, waste neutralization, waste transport out. All 3 together create a complete overnight brain cleaning cycle. And research backs this up. A 2021 study in Brain Sciences found combining antioxidant-rich foods like citrus, apples, and berries led to greater improvements in verbal recall and processing speed than eating them alone. The synergy between different plant compounds enhances the cognitive effects. Another study in aged mice showed apple compounds didn't just prevent cognitive decline, they actually reversed it. Mice that had already lost cognitive function regained spatial learning ability and memory. That tells us it's not too late. Even if you've been experiencing memory problems for years, dietary intervention can help regenerate lost function. Here's exactly what you need to do. 2 hours before bed, eat half to 1 fresh orange with pith. This gets vitamin C circulating and hesperidin working. 90 minutes before bed, eat 1 apple with peel. This activates gut-brain axis and shields your hippocampus. 45 to 60 minutes before bed, eat 1 ripe banana with brown spot. This initiates deep sleep and glymphatic activation. Why this order? Cascading nutrient delivery, not simultaneous overload. They all peak when your glymphatic system activates during deep sleep. If you have sensitive digestion, spread these farther apart across early evening. Orange with dinner, apple as post-dinner snack, banana last. Avoid pairing with heavy meals, dairy, or caffeine. Keep portions moderate. No honey, no sugar. This is therapeutic, not dessert. The first step is always the hardest. Success requires consistency. Your brain responds to rhythm, not one-time attempts. Research shows seniors with consistent evening food patterns have lower cognitive aging markers over 5 years. Troubleshooting. Not feeling different after 2 weeks? Check spacing, banana ripeness, and whether acid reflux meds block absorption. Digestive discomfort? Spread fruits farther apart. Start with half portions. Blood sugar concerns? Pair banana with almonds. Choose smaller orange. Medication interactions matter. Blood thinners. Vitamin C affects them. talk to your doctor. Blood pressure meds. Banana potassium is beneficial, but check levels. Diabetes meds. Monitor blood sugar first 2 weeks. Track results. Keep a morning journal. Rate mental clarity 1 to 10. After 2 weeks, check your average. Most see 2 to 3 point improvement. Set up visual reminders. Put banana by dinner plate. Tell family so they support you. Be patient. Glymphatic repair takes 4 to 8 weeks to show measurable improvement. Let me leave you with this. You're not losing your mind. Your brain's cleaning system is clogged, and you can unclog it. After 70, that glymphatic system operates at 10 to 20% efficiency. 80% of toxic waste that should be flushed stays trapped. Amyloid beta, tau proteins, metabolic waste, all building up, eroding your memory. But now you know something 90% of seniors never learn. 3 simple fruits, eaten in a 2-hour window before bed, can reactivate that cleaning system. Banana for sleep. Apple for protection and growth. Orange for blood flow and barrier defense. Together, they restart the overnight waste removal your brain needs. This isn't about remembering facts, it's about remembering who you are. Your grandchildren's names, your stories, your independence. Your sharp mornings aren't gone, they're buried under years of waste. Start clearing it tonight. If this opened your eyes, like this video so more people find it. Share it with someone over 60 who needs clearer mornings. Comment your biggest takeaway. I read every one. For more protocols like this, subscribe to Senior Forge 365. Hit that bell. You now understand what 90% of seniors never learn. Know your body. Own your health. Your brain's cleaning crew reports for duty tonight. Thank you for your time. Start tonight. Your brain is waiting.